Ano? That's the reason why company invests more sa that. So, okay. Now, how to establish your belief? Medyo na pinapos yung PowerPoint. Let me tell you this. Listen up. Belief is not an emotion. If belief for you is an emotion, you're gonna commit mistake in life. You know, I used to counsel single woman in our church. No? Nagka-counsel ako ng mga ganun. Tinatanong nila ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. No? So I told them, when a man trying to court you, you have to know what is his decision in life. What is his wanted to be. If that guy will only say, "You're so cute, you're so nice," give him a fivefold ministry. You know what a fivefold ministry? Put your hand like this and you will whack. Because belief is a decision. If you decide not to believe, nothing will happen. So, when you attend meetings and events, all our meetings are high standard. Guys, that is designed for the purpose of making you grow. The first thing that you do, about meeting, nagpasa na natin yung meetings, no? Yung video. Alam niyo, nakakita na kayo ng event, di ba?
Yeah.
Wala namang bago dito. So, next na lang, next. Huwag na yung video. Sige. Okay, next. The first rule, listen everyone, that didn't happen to me, and kami nila ni common kami niya din. Pareho kami nung pag-umpisa. Empty your cup. If you will not empty your cup, what a waste of these extravagant and valuable events and meetings and people in the way. You will not catch it. You'll miss this. You know, in the first 7 months, I was trying to do my experience. And Sian, my head supreme pastor from Loman, Sian told me, "Tito, you're so good now." So, but you know, Tito, don't use your good luck. Empty your cup. I hate those words because I heard it also in Salam. Don't give me that baloney, okay? That's how I responded to her. But after 7 months, with an argument over Messenger and Zoom that my wife kept hearing on, sabi niya, "Why don't you listen to Shem? It's been around for a while," sabi ng asawa ko. And I made the decision, why not? I'll try it in 6 months if something will happen to me. So I'll straight empty my cup. Okay. And I called, normally, I don't call Shen. In fact, if Shen wanted to call me, she was so afraid she will message me first. But that time, I called her. She went to KK. Said, "Shen, Tito, why did you call? I want you to know that from this time on, I will be Bobo." What is Bobo, Tito? Bobo means dumb. Oh, I didn't tell you to be dumb. I just tell you to follow. And I did. And my income began to grow. One thing I found, that if I follow the system of Freeway, my people will somehow also do the same. And the harmony will get better. So, empty your cup. One time, I have a guy who was invited by one of my leaders, and afterwards, after a week, I saw him in a coffee shop in Estancia. So I come to him and I explained to him about the system and how to adapt to it and how to adapt to be part of the culture and blah, blah, blah. And he said, "Raymond, how long can I acquire?" As if that's it, no? Acquire the culture and the environment of Freeway. How long? Because He wanted to earn fast. I get this? Sabi ko, it depends on how numb and how soft you are. Because if you will attend meetings like this and you do not choose to be hit, it's not gonna work. It's a waste of time. But the take of the company is like this. One time I asked Joseph fun about it. Mon, don't ever insist your opinion on anyone. Huh? Because the priority of Big Boss is relationship. Let their opinion go and let your opinion... Because I asked him after, Joseph, I'd rather be slap on my face than sugarcoat me. I'm a businessman, tell me straight. But is it the way we wanted to do? And I asked him several questions. After that, sabi niya, you're exactly right. However, you don't force your opinion in anyone. Sabi niya, but keep doing the way you want to do it. Sabi ko, that's obvious. Because I grew up in a ministry that I have to tell straight to the face of the person if I love the person.